using this, so first we should choose the buzzer option or the continuity option, as you see over here. Okay, this is the continuity option, and then power on the multimeter. Okay, and first let's now, I don't know if this transistor is PNP or NPN. I should first check using the probes. So if I put, for example, this here, so let's put the black probe here, the red here, no reading, as you see in the multimeter, no reading. Okay, here, no reading. Okay, let's change the multimeter probes. So let's check the red probe here and the black here. Now we have a reading in the multimeter, as you see, about 459. Let's check this terminal also. Good, we have 559. That means that this is the base. Okay, that means this is the base. Okay, so we detect the base. So this is the base. So because we put the red probe here and we got reading here and here, means we put the red probe in the base. So this is P. So as you see here we have P. So this is NPN, because we don't like that. As you see, this is P. Okay, we have red in here, we have also red in here, means this is NPN. Okay, if I change the probes, if I put the red or the black probe here, we should not get any reading. So let's check. No reading, no reading. Okay, good. So this is a PNP transistor. Let's put it here. This is a PNP transistor, because when we put the red probe here and the black probe here, we got the reading also here. But when we change the probes, so we put the black here and the red here, we didn't get any reading. So this is NPN transistor. Okay, so for example, for this kind of transistor, as you see over here, the schematic of or its circuit diagram is drawn here in its body. As you see, we have here a diode, we have the second diode. So the cathode of these two diodes are connected together. So here this is PNP. Okay, but let's check. This is PNP. So if we put the black probe here like this, and we put the red here one time and the red here in the other time, we should get a reading. But if we put the red probe here and then put the black probe here in one time, in the second time here, we should not get any reading. So this is PNP. Let's check it out. So let's put the black probe here, as you see, because here we have, okay, and then the red probe here, as you see, we got 200. This is a reading. And if we change to this, so let's always put the black here and the red here, we have also a reading here. So this is what? This is a PNP transistor here. But for this is NPN transistor. Okay, so by the way, I want to add other things. For example, let's take this transistor. So this is NPN transistor. Okay, so here we have the base. Okay, here we have the base. So what about the collector and the emitter? Is it this the collector or this? So because this is the NPN, as you see here we have NPN, so the center is P. NPN, so the positive. So let's put the positive probe of the multimeter here in the base, and then as you see, once here we got 458, okay, 458, and here we got 559. So this, from this to this, is higher than from base to this terminal. So the higher reading means this is emitter, and the less reading, this is collector. Okay, so here we have collector and here we have emitter. Okay, always. So base emitter is greater than base collector. Okay, why? Because the base to emitter is more doped with molecules, and the base collector is less doped. The manufacturer of transistor use these principles. The base emitter is more doped than the base collector. That's why always the base, okay, the base to emitter, as you see, we have 560 or 59, and here we have just 458. So this is high than this. So this is collector and this is emitter. So let's check this also. So let me adjust these terminals. Okay, so here we have the base. Okay, in accordance, we have the base here in accordance to the circuit diagram. Okay, so let's find out the collector and the emitter using the same principle. Always base to emitter is greater than base to collector in point or in terms of reading. Okay, so this is P in P. Okay, so here we should put the negative probe here. So let's check it. This two pins we have here 200 or even 199, and here if you change it to here we have 201. Okay, so this is base, this is emitter, and this is collector. Why? Because here we got 201, and from here to here we got 199. Okay, even if it is slightly the same, but this is the emitter and this is the collector. Okay, and also between this and this we got how many? Let's check it out another time. So we got 457. Okay, so we have here 457. Okay, what about between this and this? Let's check it out. 559. Okay, so we have 559. So this value is greater than this. As you see, base emitter 559 is greater than base collector 457. The same principle here. Okay, here we have base emitter 201, base collector 199. Okay, now the working principle of the transistor is this. When a transistor gets a voltage here, okay, it leads the current to pass from collector to emitter. Okay, when it gets a voltage here, for example, let's assume that it gets 1.5 volt, the current will pass to here. Okay, this is the working principle of the transistor. Okay.